Hello, friends. This is Sandy Waggett with MSW Interactive Designs, and I am here today with another marketing tip. Today, I want to talk about remarketing. Remarketing is the marketing tactic that people just love to hate. It is best recognized by the ads that follow you around the internet after you visited a website. So you've seen them, and people often think it's creepy, but the thing about remarketing is that it works. And the reason it works is because it is the perfect audience. Remarketing ads are shown to people who have been to your website one time already. And then the ads start to follow them around. So they've already expressed interest in some way, shape, or form by visiting your website. And then the ads continue to follow them. Now, if you're considering remarketing, which I highly encourage you to do, by the way, you should go ahead and have your web person install that remarketing code on your website immediately. Even if you haven't fully made the decision or you don't have your strategy in place yet, get that code on the website because the code starts tracking the visitors right away. So even if you don't have the campaign running at this point, if the code's there, it's going to start writing the cookies on people's machines when they visit your website while you start building your strategy and your campaign in the background. So get the code installed first, and then next you can start working on your strategy. Now I have a few tips on your strategy. First, you want to make sure that you're creating different ads based on the different pages that people might visit on your website. So for MSW Interactive Designs, for example, somebody might be interested in a new website and visit our website design page or our portfolio page. So I've got tracking code there. So then the ads that follow them around the internet after that all relate to redesigning your website. And then we've got a social media page for our social media services. So if someone visits that page, they are actually going to start seeing different ads than someone who visited the website design page. So see how that works. You can really target the ads based on the service that someone is interested in. Then you want to make sure you consider the sales cycle for your particular product or service. So when someone inquires with us about social media, our sales cycle can be 1 to 2 months. Usually they're ready to get started. So we will show the ads to the person for a period of 1 to 2 months, and then they'll drop off. On the flip side, on the web design side of the house, the sales cycle can be as much as a year. People start doing research, and it takes them much longer to take action when they're thinking about redesigning a website. So we will show those ads over the course of 9 to 12 months. And of course, we'll change them up so they see different things related to redesigning the website. Now, you also want to consider upsells. So if you have sales pages or conversion pages on your website where someone's actually converted when they visited, what would be the next level of service up, and design ads around that particular service and make those your retargeting ads so you can use them for upselling as well. Regardless of your product or service, remarketing ad investment is one of the best investments that you can make to make your advertising dollars last longer. So whatever your media buys, if you're running radio ads or you're running a print ad or you're running pay-per-click, whatever it is, or social media campaigns, if you're driving people to your website, having a remarketing campaign going in the background extends the investment that you've made in every other form of advertising that you're doing, because you've driven someone to the website and then they continue to see your message after the fact, and they've already shown interest in the first place. So it also increases your conversions. So MSW Interactive Designs can help you with a remarketing campaign. If it's something that you're interested in, give us a call. Sandy Waggett with MSW Interactive Designs. We put the web to work for you. Have a great day, everybody.